Ah, Sonic, what a good day is to chill right here, you know?
Yeah, it's like very chill right here and comfy.
A quick question, I know it's gonna come out of nowhere, but Sonic, are you like perhaps allergic to anything?
Yeah, what about it?
What are you allergic to?
I'm allergic to sneezing.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
And like stuff that are like hard. For example, a phone or computer.
That's weird, but okay. Okay, yeah, tell us. No.
I'm walking like a baby, bro.
But what was that?
Maybe they got hurt too.
Waluigi is hurt.
How?
I don't know. Luigi, what happened, dude? Tails, he hit me too hard at
No,
tag.
not.
Come on.
Okay, look, we were just playing tag and I accidentally had pushed him too much when I was at the tagger.
It wasn't a push. You punched me.
I didn't know I punched you.
Sonic, take Tails somewhere else. I'll take Luigi.
Okay.
Come on, Luigi. Let's go. Ow. All right, I'll be back, Sonic.
Alright.
Mario, I'm not bleeding. No, Luigi, you're not bleeding. But you're just very fragile and skinny. Nothing hurt, nothing broke. You just feel a little pain at the moment. Okay. Can I have a snack and watch TV? Luigi, stop it like you're a baby. You're a grown man. Oh, fine. I just wanted you to get it for me. Okay, I'll get up.
Charles, did he actually punch Luigi? No, I didn't even punch him. Maybe just a little tap. Man, he's just fragile. Charles, I don't feel that good, man. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Alright. Time to play some Fortnite.
Yo, Sonic, you good, bro?
I feel a little sick. How's Luigi?
Oh, Luigi, yeah, he's fine. He admitted he was actually acting like a baby because he wanted me to do all of this stuff for him. He actually got up. He's pretty okay.
That's good to hear. Man, I don't feel so good. Ow, what was that?
Sonic, I heard something. Are you good, man?
Yeah, I just sneezed too bad.
Oh.
Ouch.
Sonic, what was that, bro?
I don't know.
Oh my god, bro, what the?
Oh my god. Oh. What was that?
Oh, you good? Alright, guys, I brought everyone out here because maybe Sonic needs some sunlight to cure his little sickness. Mario, you do realize everything with dealing with sickness is kind of caused by outside. True, but Sonic's also like for having his life, so maybe it can help him. Yeah, man. So, yeah. So everyone get in positions. You didn't tell us about that. I'll tell you. Come on, everyone, let's go. Luigi, starting off with you. You are going to be behind this thing. I'm going to be behind here. You see that screwdriver right there? Yeah. You are going to grab it and hit Sonic if he comes over here. It's going to kill him though. It's fine. Alright, Tails.
Yeah.
So, all you gotta do, right? You have to get in the trampoline. Because when Sonic comes bouncing back and he goes back too far, just push him out like an angry bird. Alright, go get in the trampoline. Now, Sonic, follow me. Alright. Sonic, you get dead in the middle of the backyard. You sneeze, and according to plan, everything should go correctly. And maybe we can put you in the infinite thing. If you sneeze a lot, maybe it's gonna get it out of you. Alright, so you're dead middle. Alright, stay right there, good job. Now for my spot. Way back here. Ah. Alright, everyone. You guys ready?
Ready.
Ready is my middle name. Luigi, you're not in the movie. Alright, everyone. Get ready for Sonic's sneeze. It's about to happen, guys. Get ready. Tails, stop sleeping on the job. Luigi's coming in hot. Oh, I'm ready, Mario. Oh, shoot.
Oh, I don't know what to do no more.
All right, Sonic, I know you're coughing, but I have a solution.
What?
I could be Dr. Mario.
How?
I know how, because we don't have a Dr. Mario plush yet. So, if we're gonna do that. Alright, first session, let's go. Alright, Sonic, the first thing we're doing is we're pulling your legs.
Why?
This should probably help do something. I'm not a special doctor, so we'll do my best. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. One.
Ah, two!
I'll keep there for right now. I'm just gonna take a break. Oh, hey, what's up, Sonic? Hey, it's Chef Mario. I do not feel very good. I've been coughing all day. I'm trying to see maybe you can probably fix me a soup or something. I'm sitting right here while I wait. Okay, 1, that's not rooting for you to come in here like that. 2, hope you get better. 3, I can't fix your soup. We're out. 4, they give you any medicine? Perhaps? Dude, just take some medicine. You know how unknown that is? To like be sick, but somehow not do medicine? Like that's like such a cartoony way. That actually is not. Alright, come on, give me some medicine. This is literally all you needed. Oh, Mario and Luigi. Come on, let's get you some.